Let's go fishing. I'm on a mission. It's so pretty, I'd sure hate to waste this chance. We'll find a shady little spot, not too cool, not too high. Perfect for a little fishing.
Well, I started out, went up out to the lake this morning and got out there and made a few casts, and the wind picked up and it really got bad. I'm telling you. It went from pretty flat and then all of a sudden it was up to 2-3 footers. Thought, man, I better turn around and get out of here. But by the time I got turned around, went out grassy and got back, it was beating on you pretty good. But I got to see a good sunrise this morning out of it anyway. So I went on up the river and just pulled in there and took out a shaky head and started working it a little bit on the bottom and hooked one, and I had another one on and lost it. But that's about all of it this morning. You know what I'm saying? Just a slow day for me this morning, I'm sure. Now they're catching them down 10 house, but I ain't running clear down here. It's too dangerous. Beat you up too much. Can't take that beating anymore, guys. But yeah, if I can go up the river and catch a few, I'm happy camper, you know. You just got to slow way down, you know, and they're there, but they're not there real good yet. I mean, hopefully they'll keep moving up the river as the year goes on, and the lake's dropping, so maybe that'll help pull them into the river, because the lake's going to be dangerous to fish. These fish, man, they're fun to catch. I mean, they're out of the water more than they're in the water. That's one good thing. They're not sluggish, that's for sure. I mean, they're up out of the water. That's a good thing. Trying to throw that old speed worm with a shaky head, guys. I was using a shaky head this morning and catching this morning on shaky head, and yeah, it's just a slow process, but you know, it's relaxing. It's a relaxing way of catching fish. I had my live target on and had my side scan on. I didn't see a lot of fish out there where I was fishing. A couple places I wasn't marking a lot of fish, but I did mark a few of them here, and I'd hooked them, you know, and I caught them, but there's not a lot of them up there. That's unusual too. All the tournaments they have been having and turned them loose down there at the Scott Driver and Okeechobee, and you thought they would migrate up that river, but maybe not. A lot of times they'll anchor right there at the bridge too. They'll stay right there at the bridge, and you can catch them there. But anyway, guys, slow day on the water for me this morning. Anyways, give them heck tomorrow.